Welcome to ElectroFox. This is our GSM Shutter Alarm System. This GSM auto dialer, magnetic switch with transmitter and siren. Let me insert the SIM card first. It's a micro SIM card. Inserted. Let me power it on. It's a USB operated device. Power LED is on. It takes approximately 30 seconds to boot up, and these two are magnetic switch. When this goes away, it will send a trigger signal to GSM system and siren as well, so that we can, as it is wireless, we can keep in different locations within 30-meter of radius. Now let me switch on the siren as well. Okay, siren is also on. Once the GSM system is boot up, we need to send a message to the system. Now it is looking for signal. It will blink now. Now I'll send a message, add my number, like this. All letters should be in capital letter and no spaces. Okay, my number is registered now. I'll keep the phone here. Now the registration done. I'll move the magnet away from the uh, switch. Siren will be continuously on until we cancel it. We got a message. Now we'll get a missed call. In the same way, I'll keep the phone here again. In the same way, by pressing this button as well, we can send the trigger. Like for in emergency situation, we can even press this button as well. Again, we'll get a message here. Unauthorized attempt to open the shutter, and we'll get a missed call as well. Thank you.